So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Installed Plugins. Here we have more options like Add New and Plugin Editor. So now we have a list of all the installed plugins. On top, you can see All Plugins, Active, Inactive, Auto Updates Disabled. Below in the list, we have Delete option to delete any plugin we want. Just press Delete and press OK in the notification. As you do so, you can see that the above metrics will update automatically. Then we have Deactivate options on certain plugins, which are active right now. Once you deactivate them, you will get options to activate it or delete it. On top, we have this Add New button to add new plugins. Click on it. Here we have categories like Featured, Popular, Recommended and Favorites. Now you can also automatically install plugins from WordPress Plugin directory by clicking here. Also you have Upload Plugin button to upload any plugin you want. You can also search for plugins from this right search bar. So this is an overview about WordPress plugins. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. From here, you may automatically install plugins from the WordPress Plugin directory, and this is its link. Here we have all the plugins. Let's select Recommended from top, and here you will get all the recommended plugins. Let's install the one you like by clicking on this Install Now button. Then activate it from this Activate button. Or you can select this Installed Plugins from left panel, and from here also you can activate that plugin. Now go to Add New tab and let's search for Form in the search bar. Here you will get all the related results for Form, and you can install the one you like from this Install Now button. So this is how you can add plugins from WordPress Plugin repository. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then select Add New. Here on top, you have Upload Plugin button. Click on it. From here you can choose the file to upload. Click on Choose File button and open the plugin zip file to upload. Once done, click on Install Now button to install it. Once done, click on this Activate Plugin button to activate button. Then click on Go to Plugin Installer. Next, select Installed Plugins from Plugins. And here in the list you can see your new plugin you have just uploaded. So from here you can activate and delete it. Thank you for watching.